What is up there, SEO pros? Welcome back. Alright guys, so what we're doing today is we're going to be trying to SEO for the keywords white hat SEO on Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this software called Cora. And if you want this software, I put a link with a lifetime discount of 25% off in the description of this video. So go ahead and click on that if you want to check it out. But either way, we are using this software today to try to rank for, like I said, the keywords white hat SEO. I already did the crawl with it, so we have our ranking factors, supposedly. The thing is, I think when I did this, I was only looking at the top 5 domains or something like that, which probably be a little bit better if we're looking at the top 100 instead, according to Ted. But what we can actually do is we can just run this while that's going. So let me go ahead and do that. And if you guys want to take this second while I'm getting this going to leave a like on the video, really appreciate that. But you don't have to. You can do whatever you'd like. All right, let's type in white hat SEO. This is kind of how it works. You just type it in. Then we're just going to change the factors to 100 and the number of pages / word for LSI is going to be 10. And we're going to press play. So while that's going, we'll just look at this one. So one of the things it says is LI tag matches. Now the way you look at this to see what this means is you just go ahead and click on that. And it'll show you what they're talking about. So it says correlates the number of matches in the web page with LI tags, which I guess are list items. The fact correlates the number of keyword matches in list item tags. So let's see if we can actually go ahead and change that. It says what a match is too. Match includes any words that Google considers a hit. Leading match includes any word that Google considers a hit to appear at the beginning of the zone. Exact match includes any word that Google considers a hit exactly match the content of the zone. Exact search term match when target search terms exactly match the contents of the zone. I don't really know what a zone is yet, but we'll figure it out. So what we'll do is, it says right now we're at 39, and it says that we should be at around the practical max, which is 195. So our deficit is 156. So let's see if we can go ahead and start adding some more list items in this post. So let's go ahead and log into it. And I do apologize, this is Squarespace because we did do a site redesign at one point, but we will be switching to WordPress at some point. We got 12 people in the house. What's up, T-Butt? What's up, Jonathan? So let me just share this in Discord too. If you guys aren't in the Discord group, I really recommend you join this group as well. It's sort of a live chat environment. Pretty nice to be in. So I'll go here, share it in there. I'll share it on Push Crew. Sweet. And we'll share it on Twitter. Actually, I don't think I'm logged in on my computer, am I? Nope. Don't want to figure out that password right now. Okay, so we're in here, so let's go to Pages. We're going to go to our Resources, and then we're going to go to that post. So the first thing we're probably going to want to do, and I don't even know if this does title tags. Let's see if the title tag says anything. Number of images. Well, before we do the click-through rate optimization, let's just go ahead and see what we can do. So we'll press Edit. And let's just start adding list items, I suppose. So the first tip is utilize authority sites that are ranking for keywords that are in your niche, or for the keywords you're going for. So, want to know how I'm ranking #1 for Maryland search engine optimization, Maryland search engine optimization over 2K monthly searches and 0 backlinks. Here's how. And for some reason, the images are not in here anymore. I don't know why, but it seems like they fell out of the post. So I do need to ask Oscar about that. Let's see. Let's grab that SEO techniques. Plug that into here. What up, Alex? How you doing, man? All right. So we'll get out of there now. So I'm just trying to find places that we can create list items. There's some list items. We could just create another tip if we wanted to. God, I'm so weirded out that all of these images are gone. Okay, well, let's just go to the next one for now because I don't want to just start adding content in here. I'll just leave that as a note for something that we can do. I will do that though. What the hell just happened there? There we go. Has schema article. So apparently schema article markup would be better for this. I don't know why. You would think that it would be blog post markup would be better. Let's see what it's got right now. So let's check out the schema. So structured data testing tool. So it does have article markup in there, but it looks like this stuff hasn't been filled out, which I don't know if you can customize in Squarespace. It's sort of disappointing. Let me see if that's actually measured in there, if that says it's accurate. So it says 1, so that means good. So that's a good thing, right? If it's red, that means that it's bad, I suppose. Yeah, so we just want to correct the things that are in red. So you can see here, number of images, 5. It's saying 57 would be a better estimate, apparently. But of course, we can't do anything because a lot of the images are not in there, so we're going to want to add those in there after this, once we figure out where the hell they are. Number of no-follow links. So I suppose that means the links pointing to this post, which practical max would be 35. And we could actually plug in this site and see what they have for those no-follow links. So let's go into there. We'll do site : here and white hat SEO. Because we need the article, first of all. I'm not sure if that's it. Let's just go ahead and type that in so we can make sure that that is the right one. And then type in search engine. There it is. Right there. Plug it into Ahrefs. Oh, it's taking so long to load this stuff. Marco, what's up, man? Rohit is also in the house. What's up, dude? I think it's sort of lagging because Cora's running right now. That's probably what it is. Press search. There it is. Organic keywords. There's that. And we want to look at the backlinks going to this page. So we'll do referring domains. And let's look at the no follows, if we can. Link type, no follow. And that says it has, Ahrefs says it has 25. This one's saying it has Only 12. Wait, hold on. Yeah, it says this only has 10, which is kind of odd because it's pulling from Ahrefs data. But maybe it's just talking about by domain, because I think this might be talking about the number of links. Not sure. Either way, we can go and look at these things. So I go click on that. So obviously this is linking to that post. So we can start looking at that. I'm probably not even going to do link building because I don't care about it. But that's because I'm insane, I suppose. Percentage of no-follow links. So we can see, when did all these get here? I don't remember these being there. So you can see we're at 0. Let's see what this is. Kind of hard to look at all of this. Can I like zoom out? I need to bring this over here more. I replace and move this. Oh, I just want to move it over. There we go. All right. I want to move it over here so I can at least compare it like that. All right. So H1 to H6 leading matches. We got, looks like it says 1. And when did all of this stuff get here? Oh, this must be the new one that it added to somehow. That's kind of weird. I don't even know how that happened. I want to be able to see the last thing. Here we go. We need to bring all of these over so we can freaking look at them. So now we have all the data, so it's going to be a lot more, probably going to be better. That's crazy that it just imported directly into Drive. I don't even know how that happened. Okay, let's see it now. So we got L1 tag matches. Whoops, right there. So it's still saying practical max 195. Schema article 1. So that's fine. I'm getting confused by these things over here, so I'm looking at them still. H1 to H6. So practical max 1. Leading matches. Let's see what leading matches means. Is there not even a page for this? Oh, here we go. Okay, on page H1 to H6 leading matches. Has leading match in web page H1 to H6. Correlates having a leading match in the web page H1. It's a factor. Factor correlates and presence of leading matches in H1. The matches counted include any relevant hits highlighted by Google and the search results. Okay, so just keywords that are being, it says right here, includes any words that consider a hit that appear at the beginning of a zone. So page 1 average 80. So I think it just means, does it have it in one of the H1s or any other H tags? Number of images. So we already went on that one. It's interesting that we recalculated that, and now that one's less important than the H1 to H6. So number of images is still 57. So we need a lot more. Number of no-follow links. H1 to H3 leading matches. So we're at 1, and we could be at 1.10, which is probably just like one more in like an H2 or H3. Meta description length. So that's obviously been changed because of the new meta description length. So let's see if we can start optimizing some of that stuff. So white hat SEO techniques. Now the thing that I'm confused about, I think they're just talking about having this keyword again in like an H2 or something. Utilize authority sites that are ranking for keywords that you're going for with white hat SEO. I don't know if that's going to, I mean, that seems pretty keyword stuff to me, but we'll see. I guess we're just gonna have to run it again after we do this. Then I guess we'll just change the meta description. And not change it. There we go. God, this is crazy how much lag I'm getting right now. Is it lagging for you guys? I cannot see anything. Great fan. Missed the starting session. Is this lagging for you guys? Because it's saying that the video output's low. It must be freaking Cora right now, isn't it? Let me see this. It's still going. Yeah, it's still going. It says it's lagging for Alex. It's really annoying. Okay, so let me go back and change the meta description if I can figure out how to, because I literally cannot click on anything right now. It's so frustrating. Just refresh it. I hate lag. Okay, we're killing Cora right now. We're just doing it. I can't do this. Did it die? I'm literally about to slam my face against this keyboard. Okay, well, we're just going to keep looking through this, I guess, until that loads. Meta description length, clean text kilobytes. The hell is that? 53. We're at 71. Let's check out what that means. Size in kilobytes of web page stripped HTML text correlates in the size in kilobytes of the web page. So I guess this means this fact correlates the number of keyword matches in the HTML stripped source with rankings. The factors does not involve any match counts. So I guess this just means the amount of words in the content with matches of like relevant keywords. And the practical max is 53. But I think you can go up to 375, I guess? I don't know. I definitely need to ask Ted some questions about this stuff. Word count, practical match is 7,000. We're at 10,000. Then if we look at what everybody else is at, they're over there. Number of image alt text. Well, that also has to do with the amount of images. So I mean, a lot of this is like image based. It's like it's saying. I just wonder why LI seems to be the highest correlation factor. That's so weird. I guess it's because a lot of this stuff is like listing out information for what white hat SEO is. I mean, the most important thing, of course, is figuring out what the user intent is, right? So we look at the #1 ranking posts. You got related terms, whatever. Let's go to the next one. List items here. And that's pretty much it. Check out that one. That's the same one. I want to see what the links look like on Webopedia. Number of no follow links, 9. It just seems like it's scoring so badly on this, but it's ranking so well, which doesn't make sense to me. Well, we'll check it out. All right. So let's go into this again. We'll edit it. Can I just add images back in here? This is hell. This is literal hell. I don't know where any of the images went. The freaking load time's insanely slow. I don't know what's going on. It seems like the images are not stored anywhere. This is what I get for choosing Squarespace, isn't it? Okay, let's delete this. Well, I can't really do much here, guys, because I have to wait for these images and stuff to get put back into the post, and then I guess I just have to look at it from my perspective and then rerun this. So we'll just take the overall score right now, I guess. If we can get an overall score, can we get one? So 1,969, and I guess the closer you are to this, the better, apparently. You can see here, these two are, or this one's closer. This one is at 47,000. I guess I still don't really understand this tool. Well, we're gonna take a picture of this. I'm gonna go through all this stuff. I'm gonna try to optimize it, and then I'm gonna come back in the next video, part 2, and I'm gonna show you all the things that I changed, and we'll basically look at, we'll index it and see how much of that helped. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to go optimize it right now, and I'll see you guys probably a little bit later. Christopher says that's what you get. Yeah, I know. Chase, could you look at a tab called Roadmap to see what things to focus on first? Don't think the size in KB matters. Look at the tab called Roadmap. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot to look at that. Let me go look at that. Because Roadmap just tells you everything that you need to fix. Add 156 more matches, add 52 more images, number of no-follow links, 35 more, H1, and all this stuff, meta description length. So this is what I'll take a picture of, and I'll try to fix all of this stuff, and then I'll come back and let you guys know. Let's go look at this other stuff. I haven't looked at this stuff yet. Charts, average value. I don't know what this stuff is. I really need Ted to explain this to me, because I really don't understand what I'm looking at. Oh, these are the different keywords. Well, that one is. Zones. What are these little arrow drop downs? Zones, H heading tags, match 1. Oh, this is kind of cool. 1, 12. So confusing to me. Okay, LSI keywords, those first started factors might possible making your search organic. Oh, this tells you what you're lacking, I suppose. First started might search fresh sites throughout. Really odd to me. Because none of these are like keywords that are like keywords. They're just like words. Black hat, that's mentioned a lot. Can I just take the top ones? I just want to filter by the top number. Conditional formatting. Hold on, I know there's a way to filter this. I just don't know how to do it in Google Drive. Can I just click on it and it'll filter it? No. Ugh. Alright. There wasn't that many anyways, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Let's go to results. This is everything that's being shown in the search results. Debug. Not sure what I'm looking at there. Alright, well, we'll see. I'm going to try to do as much as I can for this stuff. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Freeute, what's up? Imran, what's up? BMW Dallas, what's up? Our Matrix, it's okay. Marco says, Chase, could you take a look? I already looked at that. Christopher says, we already looked at that. Cool Bean says, we'll catch you when you come back. All right, cool. What's up, Real Scooter? All right, I'm going to be back later, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. And then until next time, happy SEOing.